What's up everyone, it's Ryan with EasyPSV Nation. Ever felt as if a flashlight of yours needs a little bit more flair for Halloween night? In this video, I'll be showing you how Siser's EasyPSV adhesive vinyl can be used to fully deck out a flashlight for the season, including how it can make its lens appropriately chilling. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from EasyPSV Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. If a plain old flashlight won't be enough to set anyone in the mood for frights, one of the simplest ways to customize it would be to take advantage of Siser's EasyPSV adhesive vinyl. Available in either standard color, pattern, and holographic sheets, EasyPSV is ready to suit virtually any solid item for holidays and special occasions. Once you've found or created the right shapes, all it takes is cutting them into vinyl with a cutting machine, then applying them accordingly to your item. When it comes to flashlights, there's no need to limit yourself to the body. You can just as easily customize its lens area to make the flashlight illuminate with shapes of your desire, like a hero's emblem, skull head, or as we'll be demonstrating with our flashlight, a spider web pattern. We'll be demonstrating how to customize a standard flashlight with Siser EasyPSV using a Silhouette Cameo cutter. While this machine and its Silhouette Studio software works in a different fashion to other similar tools, much of the basic principles will apply if you're cutting your EasyPSV sheets with a Vinyl Systems or GCC cutter, for instance. But first off, you'll need to find or create, then scale down the shapes you'd like to apply to your flashlight. In terms of how small your shape should be, we recommend measuring your flashlight with a ruler beforehand to help determine the best sizes. And as a tip for Silhouette Cameo owners, you're free to use and modify the 100 free shapes included with your Silhouette registration, or find new ones available at their design store. But as soon as you have your shapes in, enable or draw a weed box around each one, then center and group them together. You're now ready to cut them through your machine. If you're on Silhouette Studio, go to the Send tab, and you'll want to configure the cut settings for Siser's EasyPSV. These settings will work with most EasyPSV types, though Glow and Chalkboard will require different settings, the former of which we'll cover here. But by default, set the material to vinyl, glossy, then set the blade depth to 2, force to 7, and speed to 8. If you're loading up EasyPSV Glow, you'll want the blade depth set to 10, force to 22, and speed to 5. As always, we recommend performing test cuts with these settings first before continuing to cut your materials. If the EasyPSV Glow settings were too strong, for instance, you may try our alternate settings with the blade depth set to 3, force to 25, and speed to 5. If your test cuts have been successful, select which shapes to cut off if you're cutting different EasyPSV layers. Then you may click Send to cut them. With the EasyPSV cut with your shapes, weed and trim them out. Then you'll need to lift them off the carrier sheet with EasyPSV application tape. Trim slices off a sheet or roll based on your size of your cut vinyl. Then follow these steps whether you have one or multiple layers. Peel the application tape off its carrier sheet. Then center and place them on top of your vinyl. As a tip, you can refer to the application tape's grid lines to achieve more precise placement of your cut vinyl for both lifting it off and application. Finally, you'll want to squeegee the tape onto the vinyl a few times, then flip it to its backside to smoothly peel the tape off by a corner. Be sure to peel the tape off as low as possible so that the vinyl can lift without issues. And once you've lifted all of your shapes out with application tape, they're now ready to be applied on your flashlight. All you need to do is center and place your shapes where desired on your flashlight, then squeegee the vinyl onto it. Then finally, smoothly peel the tape off by a corner, and you've now decked out a flashlight with appropriately spooky shapes cut with Siser EasyPSV adhesive vinyl. The EasyPSV Glow cut that we've covered the logo with on our flashlight will make spotting it easier as it illuminates in the night from prior light. while the spider pattern cut with regular EasyPSV is sure to surprise others as you turn it on. And as a fun bonus, you can write a name onto a rectangular glow cut with a dry erase marker as a reusable way of personalizing these flashlights further. If you'd like to share your personalized flashlights with us, alongside a growing community of customization enthusiasts, be sure to join our HeatPress Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Siser's EasyPSV and other materials and tools, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with one of our My Expert representatives at heat.press/support. This has been Ryan with HeatPress Nation. Take care and enjoy your Halloween.